to my Lightwhip tutorial series, and on this week's tutorial we are going to look at something called wraparound reels. So what this move looks like is something like this. In order to do this move, you need to first make sure that you have a soft prop, or you need to be comfortable with the fiber wielding technique for whipping. So before we get started, I just want to remind you guys to hit that subscribe button, as it does help to support my channel. So to do this move, you first need to start with the whip in your dominant hand. So for me, it's my right, and then you need to be holding it by the fibers. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be tracing around different parts of your body. So you're first going to trace around your head, and then you're going to trace around your leg and pass it to your left hand, and then you're going to bring it back over your neck and then bring it to your body and then down at your feet. So facing the back, what it looks like without even swinging your whip around is just going like this. And then you're going to step out on your left and bring the whip down to your left leg and pass it off to your left hand. And then you're going to bring it back up around your neck and pass it to your right again. And as it's spinning around your neck, then you're going to pass it to your left and wrap it around your body. Then as it comes to the right hand side, you're going to grab it in the right and let it go in between your legs. And then you're just going to let it go from hitting your right to your left to your right, and then opening your leg back up again so the whip can come back to this horizontal starting position. Let's do that from the beginning with just tracing. We won't actually throw the whip into it, but we'll just trace our arms so we know what the movements are. So doing this really slowly, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next part of this combo is when your whip is in the horizontal, just like this. So you have it in your left hand, and then what you're going to do is you're actually just going to bend over and you're going to let it fly off your neck. So you're going to kind of let go but also push it at the same time. So what you're doing is that you're keeping it in this plane, and then you're going to catch it in your right. From here, you just bend over, let it fly off your neck, catch it in your right. So if we are to do that all together, just with tracing around our body and not actually letting it swing around, we would have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So doing that from the beginning, but we're actually going to swing the whip around ourselves. We're not just going to be tracing it this time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll face the back now so you can see what it looks like from a different view. So starting with the whip in your right hand, and you're going to bring it around your neck. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So that is all for this week's tutorial on wraparound reels. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If there's a specific move or tutorial that you want to see, let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!